so it's Saturday morning at the Carter. We have just got back from food shopping, and I've just got back from sorting out my bank stuff. I just switched accounts, and anyway, too much information that you do not need. But I thought I would do a food shop just to show you guys what I buy and what I eat in a typical couple of weeks. So for my sandwiches, which I take to work for lunch because it saves me money, and that is the name of the game, I got these sliced pickled gherkins. I got this English mustard, and then I put in pastrami and lettuce, and I use brown bread. So that's that, nice and simple. Then honey is for my tea because I don't put sugar in tea anymore. And then I also use this to roast Brussels sprouts, which I have with my dinner. Anyway, I've got some snacks as well, Snacker Jacks, wholemeal bread, some gin. This is not part of the regular food shop, but it's a rhubarb and ginger gin. It's very nice, guys. If you don't like gin but you have a sweet tooth, to be fair, if you don't like gin, it's probably because you have a sweet tooth. This one's really nice. These are like 99p each. Some tea, got some wine as I'm going to a little get together tonight. Avocado, some more Snacker Jacks, and some eggs, and that all came to £15 and 36p. It won't focus, but yeah, Lidl, guys, for the win. Nice and cheap. I would also show you what I picked up from Primark yesterday. So I got this set of tweezers for £1.50. I just like the handles on them, and then this brush for 90p. So yeah, I just went in there to kind of show you guys what's new, what's in, and also I've actually just been plucking my wig. So you can probably see there's a little bit of something here. I've just got like a cling film wrap in there because I am treating my hair underneath. But yeah, it's looking, sorry, the mirror is absolutely disgusting. But yeah, I am just reviving it a little bit. I might just curl it for today. I forgot to tell you guys what I'm doing. So we've got a games night at a friend's house. Well, it's not a games night, well, I don't know, I'm calling it that. There probably will be some games if I've got anything to do with it. So we're going to hang there for the evening, and it's just kind of like a nice chilled Saturday evening. So looking forward to that. But before that, I have to hoover, change my sheets, wash up, and edit a video for tomorrow. So if I don't put this up anyway. So yeah, I will see you guys a little bit later. PS, do not ever buy this vacuum cleaner from Amazon. It's absolutely pants. It has no suction power, and I'm gonna have to get the handheld and just go right in. So just thought I'd drop that word to the wise. So taking the sheets off, going to chuck these hangers out because they are all spares, and probably that rucksack because nobody's been caught dead in that. And then fresh sheets, make my sandwiches for work for next week, and then start getting ready for tonight. Also, if you guys are looking for a Gucci The Honestest dupe, message me, comment down below, and in fact go to my channel homepage and email me, nadrina@icloud.com. I'll put it in the description box, and I'd be happy to give this away to a new home. It's in pretty decent condition. I've barely worn it. It kind of looks like that on the inside. It isn't real, so yeah, there you go, just letting y'all know. Don't say I don't help ya. left to do is to get dressed. I think I'm gonna wash my hair again, which means I'll be hoovering tomorrow. And yeah, do my makeup and just get ready for tonight. Maybe no, let me make my sandwiches for next week, so that's all prepped and ready, so I don't have to worry about that tomorrow. So I've got this white shirt on from Zara, trousers are Zara, and I'm going to carry this bag. Running terribly late, so let me go. This is the fit.